In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Solflare to Dexscreener. So if you go to Dexscreener over here and you try to sign in with a wallet, as you can see, it doesn't show you the option to directly connect Solflare. However, you have the option to connect Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, and you have some others over here. So what you can do is basically first connect your Solflare wallet to your, for example, MetaMask or your Phantom or Trust Wallet, and then connect your Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Phantom to Dexscreener, and you can that way kind of bypass this thing. So you can actually get it connected even though you can do it directly. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now with MetaMask for this example. So first, go to Solflare, go to your top right where you can see your profile icon, and then click on those three dots when you hover over this, and then you can see your Export Private Key button. Click on this, and then of course you should never share your private key, so make sure you actually keep it safe. Press Show, and then enter in your password, press Continue, and you'll be able to reveal your private key. You want to copy that private key, and then once you've copied it, you want to go to MetaMask, click on account 1 or whatever account you have selected, top middle, click on that, add account or hardware wallet, import account, and then make sure you select type, private key, paste in your private key string from Solflare, so this one over here, and press import. Once you've done that, select account 2 as your primary account, so click on account 1 and then select account 2, which will be your Solflare wallet, and then go to Dexscreener, click on sign in bottom left, then click connect wallet, and then just press MetaMask over here. It's going to start opening MetaMask. And once that's loaded up, there we go. You will see some things what it can access. You want to press connect if you agree, sign the message, and after that, you want to wait for the signed message. There we go. You want to press confirm. And in just 2 clicks, as you can see, you were successfully signed in and your MetaMask wallet was connected. And on your MetaMask wallet, you have your Solflare wallet connected. So basically, you've successfully connected your Solflare wallet to Dexscreener. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.